is 6:27. Don't work tomorrow. Wife and kids are home. Goal is to get this running as nicely as I can. I have a couple ideas before I tear the carburetors off. So I just kind of started it up, letting the tanks run out, but give it a hair of gas. Not running terrible though. Alright, so after a lot of thinking, some Googling, closed. This one is open like a hair more than this one, but just eyeballing it, and then so you can see this one's still closed, just a hair more, but they are fully connected. That is as far down as I can push it, far up as I can push it. Nothing's getting stuck, nothing's getting locked. There's a crack right here. I wasn't able to get these off, but feeling around inside, not really feeling any cracks. I'm guessing back here there's probably a O-ring or something that went bad, but like I said, can't get them off. So hopefully getting the choke fixed and getting the good fuel filter on there, hopefully that'll be enough for it to run pretty decent for right now. All right, so got a new fuel line on there because the other one was too short. This one's clear. Don't know if it's rated for fuel or not, but we'll see. New fuel filter on there. Got the other side chalked up like this one. Choke's working as it should. Let's open that choke up all the way. All right, got some playing around to do. Oh, also, that pretty much opened all the way, so I just threw some JB Weld on there. Anyway, zoom in a little bit. There we go. All right, so I wanted to see at night. I wanted to see the brake light, everything, but I think she's dialed in, idling right under 50. Kind of hold the rev a little too long, don't know how to fix that, but just testing all the lights, high beams, low beams, blinker. Blinker. Doesn't have that where you push it in, but that's fine. I don't know what this switch does. I gotta check that. And then brake light. Right, it sounds like it's about out of gas. But I did notice right up here, if you're trying to see it, there's a very slight fuel leak. Dribbling out of there. So I don't know if the gasket's bad or what, but there it is. So it is currently 12:30 at night. I'm working on getting the tank prepped for paint, right? And I'm kind of torn. I want to keep these lines, but I don't know how to do it. Like, well, still making it look good. Like, these are clearly, you can see the layer, like they're stickers. So I wonder if I can get stickers, because I was going to do with the tank metallic black, because these are just extra paints I had laying around. And then the accent was going to be at this mint and obviously clear coat. But I don't think I can do that. So I might just do all of it and then find like a pinstriper who can do it or learn myself. But it's the middle of the night. I'm bored inside alone and want to do something. So I'm going to get sanded, or I guess tape off the petcock. Then I want to get sanded and hopefully painting tonight, lay down a tarp over the workbench and whatnot, but let's see how it goes. It's all sanded down, got this into a nice painting station. So now, I'm gonna start doing some light coats. First coat down, and when I tell you I forgot how sparkly this stuff was, it's not an exaggeration. All right, so my new hidden talent is painting in Crocs in an unventilated room because hot damn, this turned out good. It still needs a few coats. I know light spots like right there, but dog, unventilated, 10 minutes of prep time. I mean, turn off the lights. You can see the glitter floating in the air. That's hilarious. But turn off the lights because I feel like this way I get a better idea of how it turned out. Right up top, nice and pretty. Let's see if I can get the other side. Nice and pretty. Probably not great, but so I'm gonna let this finish drying. Do thing of clear coat. And then, while that's drying, I'm gonna be sanding down these fenders. I really needed to wash the fenders, and I couldn't think of a better way than in a bathtub with some Dawn dish soap and a scrub daddy. So, gross. Babe, if you're watching this, I promise I'll clean the bath tonight after I'm done. But, looking nice and shiny. All nice and shiny and scratched up from the sandpaper. Now time to do this one. Got her sitting on the floor. Time to start with these bad boys. You hear that? We're almost out. But the good news is, oiled rubber bronze. Watch out, new tank. Oiled rubber bronze, but that one's not much full. That one's probably at like a third. But considering this one was at like a fourth, I made a pretty good dent on them. Got a good feeling we can finish it with this. If not, I can go pick up another can for like $5 tomorrow. But staying optimistic. Can number 1 is officially out. Excuse me, tank. Can number 2. Good time to shine. It's feeling hopeful. No clue why, but this paint's just coming out like gross. It's coming out so thick and just ugh. I gotta figure something out because the last side came out like all nice and smooth and clean. This side's just all ish. What's wrong with you? I think best right here, you can see kind of right there, nice and gloppy. Right above it, nice and smooth, gloppy smooth. So there's definitely something like wrong. I think it might just be cold. So I might go take it inside, put it next to the fireplace for a minute, let it warm up because that is fucking ugly. Nice fat thing of clear coat. That was terrible looking through the camera. But gonna clear coat everything, 10 minutes. Another set of clear coat, 30 minutes. Put the Kawasaki tags back on that, reinstall everything. Then it'll be about 4:30 in the morning. Or 2:30, my bad, but technically 3 because daylight savings time. Whatever. So, you know. And then reinstall everything and then unveil tomorrow how good it looks. So I'm putting everything on now. I think I wired it up incorrectly because, hang on, I want you to see the finished product. It's blinking at me. So I gotta redo all that wiring. Or it could be because I forgot to plug this in. That's a good first step. Now let's see. Okay. And brake lights work. And license plate light works. I'm not as think as you dumb I am. Yeah, tomorrow I'll do a reveal of how it all turned out. All right, time for the big reveal. Shebang. So fenders, tank, back fender, all painted. I think it looks phenomenal. I think the fact that that's still dirty kind of ruins it, but not taking that away. Bug looks great. I think, you know, getting the frame, all the chrome pieces nice and clean make a huge difference. But as it sits right now, pretty happy with it. These definitely need a good coat of paint and probably some new shocks. Get rid of all this chrome, but I think it looks good. Beautiful bike. So I'm kind of an idiot. I was watching back the footage, watching with me fixing the choke, right? And I was like, man, that's weird. When I picked it up, that means that the choke's closed. So I realized I had it tuned completely wrong. So now the choke's all the way down. So that means that the flaps are all the way open. Right under 15. So I think this is how it's supposed to be. So, chef's kiss to me for noticing that and getting it fixed. Yeah, happy with it. Running like a fucking top. Looks good. Turn the fuel off. Paint looks nice. You can see I got a little eager. Grabbed it when it was still wet, so you got some spots right there. They got scratched when I was putting it back on, but I'm sure this bike will have like 50 more paint jobs by the time I'm done with it. But I'm happy. Die, come on. Run out of gas. Come on. Just die. Come on, I hear you're starting to slow down, baby. Let's go.